Welcome back, all my followers. Happy Diwali to all of you. Today, we are going to learn about a turnaround bet in the power sector. The company is a major EPC player and is looking out to be a good turnaround bet. Company's name is Jyoti Structure. Before proceeding further, it's it's my analysis. It's not a buy, sell, hold recommendation. You can use it for learning purposes, and there could be things which I could have missed in this analysis, maybe due to lack of information or due to lack of oversight. So I expect you to do your own diligence, and maybe if you have a financial advisor, please consult them before taking this investment decision or doing any buying or selling into this company. Coming to the business of the company, it's been a leader player in the EPC segment, and it does the power transmission and distribution networks up to 765 kV and 800 kV AC and HVDC transmission lines. It also works in the 765 kV substation segment. Company has been offering complete range of solutions and services. It starts its work from the inception stage, does the conceptualization, does the survey, route selection, does the optimization, design, detail engineering, and leading up to the final commissioning and testing of the transmission lines in the substations. Now, company has three lines of operation, starting with transmission line, substation, and rural distribution networks. And it has an extensive experience into the major category of transmission lines up to 800 kV, substations up to 765 kV, and it has done the construction over 31,000 circuit kilometers in the rural area. Company majorly operates in the B2B segment, working for both government as well as private power utilities. And recent new private asset developers have emerged, and companies trying to tap them as well in this power segment. So companies having a broad experience in executing projects across the entire TD value chain. And if we go further, we'll see that the regions that it is serving is North and South America, Africa, CIS, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Oceania. Coming to the expertise of the company has been using good softwares like CAD, BookAd, IT Lower, and different tools for helping in the digital terrain. Company has been having exclusive proto fabrication and assembly units. The company has the entire project management, which is digitized. They have been executed projects over difficult terrains such as Himalayan range, desert, river crossings, and one good capability of the company is tower testing expertise. So they have an in-house tower testing station in Nasik, which can test towers up to 1200 kV. So company has tested over 460 towers of different configurations for clients from over 50 countries. That's a very big achievement for this company. Key clientele includes big names. We'll come to the clientele later down as well. Manufacturing wise, it has three manufacturing facilities, two in Nashik, one in Raipur, but currently only one is operational. Total capacity is around 1.16 lakh metric ton per annum. And uh, company has been executing both domestic and international projects, and they have done 14 overseas projects till date. Employee strength is good enough, 1,200. Facilities are ISO certified as well. Clients mostly B2B, as we now see the names, big names up there, going from NPCL, Renew, NTPC, Websettle, Adani, Siemens Energy, Power Grid. So ABB, Siemens, so a lot of big names are here basically. So even the big players like Adani, KZ also supplies the contracts to companies like Jyoti Structures. Coming to fundamental ratios, you will see that the market cap is 3,187 crore as of now. Stock P is 101. Book value is almost negative. ROC is nowhere. Basically, it's 1%. So fundamental ratios are pretty bad basically. Sales and profits have been evaporated in the last few years when the company has been going through the insolvency process, and now the sales revenue and the PAT is coming back slowly. Big shots like Ashish Kacholia have been getting in with more than 4% stake recently. Now, if everything is bad and but the company's capability is good, what are the major triggers? So central entities in India are expected to cover tender 50,000 circuit kilometer of transmission lines by the next 6 years. And most of the additions are expected to take place in the high voltage line, which is the expertise of the companies like Jyoti Structures. So if you see, out of this 50,000 circuit kilometers, 40,000 has been into a domain of 400 kV to 765 kV domain. Similarly, the substations, again, the capability of Jyoti Structure is good enough, and out of the big chunk, companies into the right domain. Company has raised funds in the recently with the rights issue, and they want to do the repayment of the loan as per the resolution plan, and they have been they will be using it for meeting cost expenses, keeping the things operational plus general corporate purposes. Going forward, strategy will be to make the operational plants more operational. Basically, they have three plants and only one is operational. They will try to make the other two plants operational with the infusion of funds. So that will increase the sales growth basically. Company has been getting good orders, and the current order book is more than 1,000 CR. They are winning consistent orders, last one being 450 CR and 105 CR. And they has been pursuing bids worth 12,500 CR. So as you see, most of these orders would be whatever the order book is going to be commissioned in next 1.5 years. And recently, the NCLT has also allowed them to have the release of the non-fund based limits from banks. Looking at technical charts, company has been going through a consolidation in the last few months, and then recently it has been broken out with a good volume in the last 4 to 5 weeks, basically. If we look at a monthly things, the company has been forming a cup and handle and has been trying to break out of this 30-35 zone. I have been tracking this company from almost 9 rupees, and I have been consistently adding over the last few months on this company. And my recent buys even include around 25-30 rupees as well. I still see, even if it tries to break out and tries to go forward with the latest orders execution, 66-65 rupees is not far away. Going back to the history, the top is almost 350-400 rupees. So there is a good chance that over the next 3-4 years, the company might do well and may reach to its previous highs also. The risks, as you know, it's a very highly risky category because companies turning around, book value is negative, everything is looking bad. And it's more of a turnaround bet. And we should be aware that only 1 in 100 companies will have a real turnaround. So there is a chance to lose all the investment if it doesn't turn around. So please be very, very careful. It's just a small bet for me uh, in terms of allocation, but I have found this company a little bit early, and still I feel the price is decent enough if you have a long-term horizon of 2 to 3 years. So please do the due diligence and read about the company at your site, and then think of whether you want to invest or not into this company. Yeah, that's all from my side. Have a happy Diwali. Be safe, Diwali.